So what is up, Turbo fam? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be taking another look at what Turbo has been doing. And as we can see, Turbo has had a really good day today, and just the overall market is having a really good day. We pumped up a lot of these coins, and Turbo is also one of them. So we're going to be taking a look at what the price of Turbo is doing right now and what could be happening with Turbo next. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen looking at Turbo at 0.203586, up around 7.8%. Market cap almost at $250 million and volume at almost $80 million, up around also 71% from yesterday, which is again pretty good. If we look at the graph for today, it did go to up to 0.2037, and obviously a little back down, but earlier today we were just kind of going sideways. But if we look at the 7 days, we could see we have slowly been kind of climbing up. We could see this kind of pattern right here. If we actually head over to Dex Screeners to check this out, let's go to Turbo. We could see we are still in this kind of range that we did talk about, this kind of support range for Turbo, but we are slowly kind of making our way back up. We could see we did see the low right here, and then we kind of are seeing an upwards pattern right now, slowly climbing back up. But overall, we are still kind of consolidating in this range. Hopefully we could break out from this very soon as well. We can see this is almost exactly what happened last time. We were kind of consolidating in this range. After we did hit the low, we did kind of make a slow upwards pattern right here. We could see slow upwards pattern, and then we proceeded to go parabolic, hitting new all-time highs after that. So maybe that could be happening once again very soon. We could see we are kind of seeing the same thing. We kind of seeing the same thing right now, slowly rising back upwards, and hopefully we can kind of make our way back up, see that run happening again. And that's basically what's happening right now. Not too crazy movements again. We have yet to see the parabolic run happen to Turbo, but we kind of see a spark of a good day in Turbo. And over in the overall market as well, we could see the overall global crypto market cap is up around 8.9% in just the past 24 hours. Most of these coins are in the green today at really huge numbers. Cardano actually 64% up in just the past 24 hours, which is absolutely crazy. But again, we see a lot of these coins in the green today, which is really good, and Turbo is also one of them. So hopefully Turbo continues this as well. We could see the community is still 91% bullish. Turbo is revving up with a 10.93% 24-hour gain, catching the market's attention with the Turbo market cap at 75 market cap and 75 million 24-hour volume. Technicals look promising. Keep an eye on the momentum. Exciting times ahead for Turbo. Look at the recovery. Ethereum is barely hanging on to 21 to 2200, and Turbo is at 0.2033, where it was when Ethereum dropped to 2728. Think about how much more upside that just gave this token when Ethereum pumped. Gotta give the Turbo community credit. They've held the line solid, and now I know that the Turbo community is one of the strongest out there. Let's run to 10 to 20 cents. And as always, some people are putting out negative comments on bearish on Turbo dead project already, but look at the charts, they're saying something else. And again, it's not the first time it's happened in the history of Turbo or in the history of the market itself. It just regularly happens, and that is just how the market works. If we go up, we also have to come back down, and that's what Turbo was seeing. But again, it's now time to go back up. Alt season confirmed, multi-billions programmed, 140 exchanges on board. Let's go. If we actually take a look at the exchange listings right here that Turbo already has, we could see 120 exchanges already. We're on the biggest exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and all of these 120 other exchanges, and hopefully more coming very soon as well. We know that exchange listings are a huge part of what Turbo is already. We could see, are you ready? Let's go Turbo. I'm bullish on Turbo. We could finally see 4 after all those bad weeks. Next month is March, equals 1 year of me buying and collecting this toad. Community and loyalty plays a huge role for success. Holders and the marketing team, we have been ups and downs, but I haven't sold any. I have bought more every single month. We still haven't witnessed the major candle slash bull months, but when we do, we will see billions. I have no doubt. Absolutely correct. And hopefully that is coming soon as well. Looking at the charts, it's kind of, bringing our hopes up. Hopefully it does keep up. So looking forward to that as well. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Turbo, what it has been doing, and again, a pretty good day, but we could do obviously a lot better. Hopefully looking forward to seeing those big crazy green candles coming very soon. So if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.